Our community partner is Emerson Family Center and the Discovery Center, and this is our project proposal. Our MLP scholar is Samuel Stewart, and our names are Mac Adam Turnbull, Audrey Bellew, Maggie Holyoke, May Yuritich, and Alexis Goodry.
Emerson Family School is a license fee-based preschool that serves in the Starkville area. They serve children between the ages of 2 and 5 and children with disabilities. The preschool coordinator is Mary Coleman, and this building was formerly a 3rd grade building, and it's currently being remodeled into a preschool. Their main goal is to help children feel good about themselves and others and become self-motivated learners.
The project is to better Emerson Family Center, and we will achieve this by spending one-on-one time with the students in classrooms, and then restoring the garden was something that they requested us to work on. And so we've been working out in the garden, and we started that last week. We started pulling some weeds and getting started and taking some before pictures. And then also just being flexible and help where we're needed. Emerson, they're probably very short on staff, so wherever we can help, we'll be very flexible and help where they need us to. Ms. Coleman gave us specific jobs that they need us to help with, so we'll assist in those areas first, and then whatever else they need us to do, we'll be happy to help there.
The perceived needs of our service project is to provide a safe and fun environment for the kids to learn and play in. And remodeling projects include putting together bookshelves, installing whiteboards, and refurbishing a garden. We will be able to spend one-on-one time with the kids by reading books and playing games. We've made a timeline to conduct how long it would take to finish our whole service project. And last week, we went and observed the garden area and took some before pictures and just assessed the current status of the garden to see what needs to be done to create a better garden for the children there. We decided what materials we needed to create a better environment, both inside and outside of the school. Factor materials into the budget to make sure that we stay within the price range for our project.
So we have some potential obstacles we might run into while we work on our project. First and foremost, we have immunization records. So in order to be at the preschool, we all need Form 121 of our immunizations, and not all of us are from the state of Mississippi. So we're running into a couple complications with all getting our records, but I'm pretty sure we're close to all having them and all being able to go and help with the kids. Next, we have weather. We're going to be working outside, working on the garden boxes, weeding those out and planting new stuff. So if we run into some heavy rain or something like that, that will limit us from doing what we want to do. Maybe potentially, when we've planned to do it, and we're going to have to work around that and be flexible when it comes to our schedules. Next, again, another scheduling thing, we have transportation. Not all of us have vehicles. So we're going to have to do some carpooling and helping each other out when it comes to all getting there at the same time on the same days. That flows into scheduling conflicts. We're all busy people, college students. So we got a lot of different schedules to work with. So already our team has done a good job of working around those and all showing up when we have to. And then we have on-site issues. So that's kind of unforeseen stuff.
Our budget for this project includes gallons of paint. We are going to be repainting the planters at the facility, as well as the tires around the facility that they have used as planters in the past. And so we predict that we'll need about 2 gallons of paint in order to fulfill that goal. We will also be purchasing soil and fertilizer. The gardens haven't been used for a while, and so they need a little bit of new topsoil and fertilizer in order for the plants to grow effectively. We also need various plants and seeds. We're considering doing 1 garden bed of vegetables that would be from day one, because it's unreasonable for us to afford to plant all the garden beds. But our total budget for the paint, the soil, the fertilizer, and the seeds comes up to around $171. Thank you.